for us to understand how we can leverage technology to attract and retain talent within manufacturing, first we need to understand some of the challenges that manufacturers are facing. According to Industry Today, employment in manufacturing is heading back to pre-pandemic levels, which means there's a lot of competition, all going after the same pool of talent in the market. Furthermore, in the same poll, they mentioned 65% of manufacturing workers are open to other job opportunities and are even actively looking for those opportunities, which further compounds the challenges of retaining your current employees, because it's increasing the workloads for those current employees, and also the potential for tribal knowledge to go out the door, which again increases the workload for your existing employees. I think one of the challenges is also that younger generations are not typically attracted to manufacturing. And the ones that are attracted to areas such as design, robotics, automation, not so much the operations side, but when you look at those areas, what do they have in common? They're areas that are leveraging technology. According to Deloitte, 1 in 4 manufacturing workers say the technology they use daily improves their work experience, which also goes to show that people want to remove the non-value-added activities out of their work. They want to be able to leverage that data to make decisions that have an impact on the organizations, and that impact that they want to see, they can understand it, they know the value they bring, which increases morale, which we all know is something everybody seeks and everybody wants within their employment.